How to create a credential template. Click on Create a Credential Template. Here you can see 3 options. 1. Add program details. 2. Designing section, and 3. Add branding details. In the first step you can add the name of the program, institution's name, a write-up about the event, acquired skills, signatories' name, earning criteria and validity. Give 0 if the credential is lifetime valid, or give validity in months. In the second step you can create the design. Click on the second step, click on the box, and you can see now an advanced editor to design a certificate or a badge. Here you have the option to upload an image from your system if you already have a design, and also you can create a new design using the Canva editor. Once you add a design, you can add an extra text which helps you to write an extra line. And using the attributes options you can add the name, issue date, program name, etc. Also you can add the QR code, barcode and custom data. Then you can simply click on Save. You can see the preview of the design. The third step is the branding option. Here you can use an image banner or a Vimeo video. Follow the format recommended and upload the image or paste the link. Then you can add the branding message, call to action button label, call to action button link, and finally click on Save, and your credential will appear on the home screen, and you can able to award it. Next is how to award a credential. You can use Quick Award option. Here you can type the name of the awardee and email and click on Award. After clicking the award button, it will immediately trigger an email to the candidate's email address which help them to receive it, and for the admin they can manage the credentials under the list of awardees section. In case if you have more number of people to award, you can use the bulk award option. Here you just need to download the sample CSV file and change the data with your data and simply upload it. It will send awards in bulk. Next is the API option. With the API you can integrate your system with CertifyMe. With the integration, you can send credentials automatically to the candidate.